How to set up a new iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from Genie Guide, and in this guide video I will show you how you can actually set up your new iPhone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you purchased a new iPhone, now you want to set it up. As you turn on the power button, you will see this kind of interface. We're going to simply actually swipe up to enable other options. The very first thing we will do is we will simply choose a language. I will select English in this case. Once I select English, you can also see it says select your country or region. I will go ahead and then simply select my own country or region over here. So let me go ahead and then do that as well. Once you find a country name, tap on it and you can see it says quick start. What we will do is set up manually. Once you tap on setup manually, you can see all of these settings. Customize that if you want, but I will tap on the continue button. It will ask me to choose a Wi-Fi network. Now you'll not be able to continue without a Wi-Fi network basically. So I will go ahead and simply enter the password for my Wi-Fi network as well. So once you've connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can see you'll see this kind of interface. Tap on the next button, which you see at the very top corner of the screen. As you tap on the next button, you can see also it says that it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. And depending upon the internet connection, this is actually going to take a while. On the next page, you need to actually enter your Apple ID. But do not worry, you can skip the Apple ID process. If you don't know how to create an Apple ID for your iPhone, then we recommend you watch our other video. And you can see it says continue, and I will simply tap on the continue button and simply follow all of this. You can also see it says to set up my Face ID, but I will also skip this process and tap on set up later. It will ask me to choose a passcode, which I'm going to do it right now. Now by default, it will ask you to actually enter a 6-digit passcode. I will go to passcode option and actually set a 4-digit numeric code. You can use numeric code or alphabetic code and so on. I will go ahead and enter it and simply choose the number for this right over here. Let's say, for example. Once you've done that and created a passcode, you can see you have to reconfirm it and you'll be taken to the very next step right over here. As we go to the very next step, you can also see it says apps and data. You can see it says restore from iCloud backup if you have restore from Android, or move data from Android, or don't transfer apps and data. You could go ahead and basically choose all of these if you want, but for now I will simply skip it. And it will ask me to enter my Apple ID. If you do have an Apple ID, that's perfectly fine. You can also create one from right over here. But I will actually skip this process, which we'll leave for the other video. So I will tap on forgot or don't have an Apple ID. And I will select set up later in settings. Once done, I will simply select don't use, and you will see this kind of interface. Agree to all of the terms and conditions and keep your iPhone up to date. Continue. I will tap on not now basically, and I will enable the location services. I will also set up later the screen time settings. And I might also want to share my analytics with Apple and share with developers. You can choose light theme or dark theme if you want. I will simply leave it to the default light theme. You can also choose a zoom view or the display standard view. I will simply select the one. And you can see it says welcome to iPhone. All you have to do is simply swipe up to get started, and as you do that, your iPhone is totally ready. You could go ahead and connect to internet, sign in with your Apple ID, and do a bunch of other things. And this is how you could very easily actually set up your new iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.